Sila ba pure English ba to? Or ano? Baka Bisaya, okay lang Bisaya.
Lalagyan po kasi lalagyan naman po namin ng subtitle yung
Okay.
video.
So, ano kayo? Same, magkaklase kayo? Okay. Matalino ba to?
Siyempre, sir.
Masipag po yan.
Masipag. Okay, good answer.
Very.
Masipag. Tama. Okay.
Okay.
Sige.
Start na po.
Okay, sige.
Okay. Ongoing na.
3, 2,
Good afternoon, Sir Alan Gutierrez. So, how are you?
okay naman. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you rin po. So, we are the students from National University Fairview. So, we are here to ask you some questions regarding supply chain and value chain management. So, here's the first question. How can you add value to the company by using your competencies and experiences?
Okay. Add value. Well, basically kasi, diba, when a company naman, like on my side, the company is in the field of retail and distribution. So they happen to look for somebody with experience in that field. So when I get into the company, so that's my main task to apply kung ano yung experience ko and knowledge ko on that field. So how to add value? Maybe to address yung mga concern. For example, in a specific procedure that they wanted to set up, nandun ako to help them kung paano i-structure yung procedures na gusto nila pag-aral. So, given yung competence ko, nakakapag-deliver ako sa kanila kung ano yung kailangan nila para matulungan sila for the smooth flow ng procedure.
Okay. For the second question, what is the importance of supply chain management?
Supply chain management. It's very important actually, especially in the manufacturing. Sa side ko, before we used to be in the retail, but we converted into manufacturing. So just give you a background of the company. The company used to have parang mga furnitures imported from abroad, and then we retail them here, and then we supply them for showrooms. So, it's important in that field na meron kayong system like supply chain kung paano mo siya i-distribute. How you store them, and how you market them, and how you deliver them. So, you need to make a procedure out of the requirement of the supplier. Then also, the company, like I said, is also ventured to manufacturing. So, actually, the company that I am with is involves retailing and manufacturing at the same time. Because we have multi-products. So the other products that we have is involved in stones. So like tiles, for example, kitchen countertops. So it involves acquiring product from a third party, principal distributor from abroad. Then we need to store them into a warehouse. Then we also have a process what we also fabricate. We fabricate the material. So we have a storage, we have a fabrication. Then it also involves deliveries. So when you have deliveries, kailangan meron kang trucks, the logistics, procedure, para may deliver sa client. So even that supply chain management, na kategorize namin yung bawat department that needed to function para we can successfully deliver yung item sa aming client. Kasi ang goal naman is customer satisfaction. Pero the method should be very systematic. Hindi lang basta you order and deliver. It has to be a system that requires people with specific knowledge that they can comply kung paano yung gustong standard. Kasi the company, lahat ng company may mga standards. That's what set them apart from the other. So yung standard na dinevelop namin from our own is we believe ito yung nagbibigay sa amin ng edge. So with that standard, we apply that to the supply chain management procedure para talagang yung mga customer namin, they can say na satisfied sila. And also yung goal, hindi naman satisfied, meron kang returning client. Kasi Kasi importante na hindi ka lang nakapag-supply once, it generates another client from a client. Ganun yung ano yun yung goal ng mga companies ngayon. So, supply chain is very important. Parang yan yung bloodstream ng business. From dugo, dumadali from cart, all over the parts of the body. So, yan yung procedure ng supply chain.
So for our third question, which type of distribution network have you worked on?
Distribution network, actually, yun yan. Like I mentioned, we are in a manufacturing setup. Wherein, we have this product that we call, if you're familiar with granites,
Yes.
marbles, but what we have is quartz stone. So, quartz stone, we supply this to kitchen countertops and even the mga bar, flooring, walls. So, in layman's terms, meron tayong fabrication, tinatawag. So, we supply, we fabricate, and we install. When you say install, kakabit mo yan. So, from manufacturing, from the principal supplier, order kami ng mga slabs. Then, meron kaming storage facility. And then, pinafabricate namin. And then, meron din kaming sarili naming trucks for the logistics. Although, we also use yung ibang services ng company. We use Lalaboot, Transportify, even ang mga third-party forwarders, mga malalaking shipments. So, yun yung sa amin, distribution network, manufacturing, and then we fabricate and deliver to the supplier.
Nagka-cargo rin po kayo?
Yes, we also, especially sa mga out of town, mga Visayas, Davao, because we go nationwide. Ang mga clients kasi namin, hindi lang residential. May mga commercial, may mga hotels. So, nag-require ng mga malalaking talaga shipment cargo. Also, na-encounter ko rin yan doon sa una naming product in the furniture. Like, we supply hotel in Boracay. What we do, we ship about 5 containers doon sa lugar because of different furnitures na yan. We also carry doon mga cargo.
So for follow-up questions po, what are the challenges and what improvements have done by you on this network?
Well, to be honest, yung product namin is very unique. Compared to the other industry, what we do, we supply, we fabricate, and we install. But we do that with our own people. Other companies, they are third-party contractor, which is very complicated, especially with handling schedules. Siyempre, pag third-party contractor, sometimes may mga schedules sila na hindi align sa inyo. So, that's a problem. Kasi if you're dealing with deadlines, you need to address yung concern ng client mo. Pero kung hindi kayo parehas ng schedule, yun yung nagkakos ng problem. So what we do, we train people. In the sense, in-house personnel. So yung mga in-house personnel namin yan, pinadala namin abroad, they train, and then sila na yung gumagawa dito. And we also hire new people na tinrain din namin para sila na talaga yung mag-deliver, mag-install. So for us, mas madali yun. At first, medyo may cost. But on the long term, nakikita mo mas siya cost effective. Kasi nga mas madali yung scheduling ng tao. And also yung monitoring ng performance nila. Kasi may tao nyo Unlike yung contractor, minsan di mo na-supervise So, those are some of the improvements na ginawa namin para ma-address yung problem. Kasi unique nga kami. Hindi kami order ka, deliver. No. If somebody order from us, what we do, we schedule site measurements. What is site measurement? For example, may kitchen. Ang kitchen hindi siya simple na parang standard design. Maraming design ng kitchen. Can be depends sa designer, no? So pag ganung mga situation, uh, we also send people para magsukat. Then after they do the measurement, we create drawings, then we fabricate, then we deliver, then we install. And when you do the delivery, hindi lang basta drop siya, deliver. You also drop people on the site. Kasi sila yung mag-i-install. So, most of the time, nagtatagal sila sa site. 1 or 2 days. There are cases na 1 week. So, yun yung medyo challenge sa amin kung paano i-handle yung ganung situation. So, with that, gumawa kami ng unique procedure din namin na we feel na ito yung babagay. Actually, with supply chain management, that is also one of the reasons kung bakit we need to set up procedures like that para ma-address yung mga specific requirements of different industries. Like for us, we see na iba yung setup namin, so we need to adapt new setup compared sa same. So, that's what helps us yung pag-determine kung ano yung mga kailangan using the procedure in supply chain.
So for our fourth question, what is the importance of value chain management?
Okay, value chain management. So you have supply, you have value. From the word value. So, when you say kasi value, is what's, ito yung nagbibigay impact on the service or the product that you supply to customer. For example, pizza. Maraming pizza. Pero how do you present your product? You present it through a plate or through a box. That was sometimes magkakapares lang yung product, pero yung the manner you present it, yun yung mas nakikita ng mga customer. So the value chain management in the sense, ito naman yung tumutulong sa atin within the procedure of the supply chain management. Kung paano mo mai-improve. For example, in the purchasing, ano ba yung ipapurchase mo? You set standards. Diba? Ano na yung mga dapat ma-meet ng supplier mo para may supply nila yung raw materials mo. Then along the way with fabrication, ano na yung procedure nyo on the fabrication? Quality control, how you handle yung mga raw materials, ganyan. Then also with logistics, how do you deliver? How do you respond to customers? So, yun yung mga added procedure na sometimes I think katawag nila parang may term dyan na yung parang company parang I forget the term, parang secrets, trade secrets, that's the word, trade secrets that involves value chain management, yung trade secrets. Kumbaga, may mga procedure kayo na dinidevelop na unique, na hindi mo hindi siya pareho sa other companies. Like yun nga, kaya sinabi ko, paano ba kayo nag-supply? Meron kayong standards on your own. So, that's what's up the value chain management in the company. Mas mabigyan mo ng value yung bawat procedure para at the end, yung pinaka-end product mo is talagang hindi lang masusatisfied yung customer mo. Makikita talaga nila na worth it yung produkto na diniliver mo sa kanila. At the same time also, the value chain management also uses by the company para magkaroon tayo ng cost efficiency sa mga procedure. Kasi syempre, during the process may mga cost involved dyan. So, paano mo may create yung isang procedure in the most efficient way, less cost, pero quality-wise, nandiyan. So, yun yung procedure na ina-adapt natin. So, like fabrication, gagawa tayo ng mga standards na to make sure na yung raw materials natin is really at a high quality as much as possible. Para mai-deliver natin yung product sa customer na talagang on the highest standards.
So for our last question, what are your core
said, no, sa industry kasi namin, very few lang yung mga companies na yan that working with stones. And what we did is we developed yung mga, like I said, procedures, trainings. It also involves actually sales and marketing. Na parang you dress up the company in such a way that they'll become very identifiable compared dun sa iba pang competitors mo. Like, kung paano kami mag-present in our product presentations. We also develop yung mga technical personnel namin in such a way na meron kaming, pag nagpe-present kami, may mga dala kami mga apparatus na hindi common. Like I said, yun yung mga trade secrets. And then also, for competitive
For competencies and competitive advantages.
advantage, yes. Like, yun nga, isa pang advantage yung pinagin ko kanina, like we have our own personnel
Apa.
na sa iba nga, nag-hire sila ng mga contractors na group. So, ibig sabihin, third party. So, parang ang dating sa amin is yung nga, tawag sa iba, one-stop shop. So, pag umorder ka, hindi mo na isipin na kung sino mag-deliver, sino mag-install. Kami na lang, isa na lang ang kausap mo. Pag umorder ka sa amin, we can assure you that we will deliver the product, we will install in a quality way. So, ganun yung mga sinanap naman.
So, yun lang po yung aming mga katanungan. So, thank you so much for your time and cooperation. Let's have a picture po.